Once upon a time, in a quiet forest, there lived a sweet little girl. Everyone called her Little Red Riding Hood. One sunny morning, Mom was tending the garden. The air smelled of flowers and fresh grass. Suddenly, the phone began to ring. Mom answered. Her smile slowly faded.
"Oh no,"
she said softly.
"Grandma isn't feeling well."
Mom packed a basket with cake, fruit, and juice.
"Little Red, will you take these to Grandma?"
Yes, of course,
said Little Red. Mom tied on her red hood.
"Be careful on the path,"
she said.
"Don't talk to strangers."
I won't, Mom,
said Little Red with a smile. Little Red set off through the forest. Sunlight danced on the leaves and birds sang overhead.
Grandma will love this cake,
she thought happily. From behind a tree, a big gray wolf appeared.
"Where are you going, little girl?"
he asked in a silky voice.
I'm going to Grandma's house,
said Little Red.
"What a lovely idea,"
said the wolf.
"Why not pick some flowers for her?"
Little Red nodded.
Grandma loves flowers.
While Little Red picked flowers, the wolf slipped quietly down the path, straight to Grandma's house. Knock, knock, knock,
"Grandma, it's me, Little Red,"
called the wolf sweetly. Grandma opened the door, surprised. The wolf rushed in, locked her in the wardrobe, and put on her cap and glasses. Soon Little Red arrived.
Grandma, why is your voice so low?
"Because I have a cold, dear,
Why are your eyes so big?
so I can see you better,
And your mouth, why is it so big?
so I can eat you up."
The wolf leaped from the bed. Little Red screamed. Just then, a woodsman burst through the door.
Stop, right there.
He shouted. The woodsman chased the wolf away and opened the wardrobe. Grandma hurried out and hugged Little Red tight. The woodsman chased the wolf outside. They struggled for a moment, and the wolf ran away into the woods. They shared the cake by the window. Sunlight filled the room, and the forest grew quiet again. Little Red smiled. Being kind is lovely, but being wise keeps you safe.
Hope you enjoyed today's video. We'll keep sharing more fun content. Don't forget to subscribe and support our channel.